It's your boy Mr. Mr. MC. Now, this program right here is like Earn Money or something. I don't know the actual name, but it's the name of the title is say Earn Money or something like that. But it's not what we're here for. We're here to just show you, everything. So let's go to the referral. As you can see, your 20% of friends earning for life. So go ahead and come join, guys. Only got one friend. Shout out to you, buddy, for joining. Alright, so let's go here to the history. Been in it since 2020, which was last year. They're not showing it anymore. I feel like the more I use this program, the more they wipe off the history. Cause I was in it in like I want to say December 28th or the 7th. But look, I've been going crazy, guys. You can't make this up. So don't say I'm just, promoting with the referrals. I'm pretty much in it every day, as you can see. The 9th, the 8th, the 6th, the 5, the 4, 3, 2. You feel me? Every day I'm in here. What can I pull out? I could pull out the $2, but why? Could pull out the 5 and a minute 10. I'm going to go past this, guys. I want to make sure I build this up first and then be able to pull out. So what I do, I just tell you what I do. I go daily every day. That's how I get that's how I've been getting most of my points. Go here, boom, click that. And then once you're done, they always give you an advertisement ad. So remember that every time you click the daily, you get an ad right after. So you won't be irritated. You already know. So it is what it is. Sorry, guys, I was doing something. So, as you see the time going down, boom. Alright. So, alright, there we go. Alright. So, boom, we go here, and then this the main way how I get paid, right? I come here. I either download apps that, I want to, get some more money with, or I just do this, guys. Which one I want to go to? I always go to the one that's the lowest, so 1 minute. But, since I don't want to use that one, I always do the other ones. About 8 minutes ain't bad, 10 minutes ain't bad, 11 minutes ain't bad. Since I'm not going to really use this phone a lot, let me go to this right here. No, not that one. Let me go to the 2K for about 8 minutes. So as long as your phone don't lock up, so like this. If your phone don't lock up like that, just stay from locking up. Stay open like that, like this, and you pretty much will be getting paid, guys. That's all I wanted to say. You pretty much be getting paid. It's your boy, Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. Come join me. I know you see my, face in the background with the camera shining, but that's cool. Link below the description. Come join.